Hey ho. Just a quick recap before I finish today. So what I was doing today was to try to do the following scenario work. So when datdot service parent machine creates this submachine, it goes into this initial state and it invokes a service. This service is a function that either resolves or rejects. So it either succeeds or fails. And if it succeeds, I continue to the next state. If it fails, and this is what I was working on, if it fails, I want it to try again for 3 times. So I have a condition, and until this condition is met, this target will, this state will be the target, which is basically the same state that we are currently in. So it fails, we check the condition, retry less than 3, we define it here, and we check is the context retry less than 3. Context is here, and retry is every time the service fails, we increment this retry. And then the next time, and we just always check if it's already 3, because we don't want to repeat this forever. We just want to do this 3 times. And if not, we want to transition into another state, failed, which is basically the last state. The thing is that if we don't set this second state, the final state, if we just run this with this final, it failed, commented out, so we're just retrying 3 times, this works. So this is the parent and the events that parent is getting. So the first one is it got it from, I don't know, the chain or something, and then it triggers the event and this creates a new state machine, a sub-state machine. So we initialize it here, and then we're trying to connect to the encoders and hosters, which is initial state. And then we get an error because the promise rejected. And then we try again. So retry is 1, and then we try again and again, error, and the second time and the third time, and we're retrying. But now I want that if we tried already 3 times, I want that it fails. So let's see if I do this. I don't know if my logs are wrong, because I'm not getting like 3 times here error. Maybe, I don't know what's wrong, but I do get into the failed state at the end. So it kind of works, but I want to understand this thoroughly. So kind of this is what I was working on today. The cool thing is that whenever I'm like stuck or I feel that something is not working well, I can go to this visualizer and just copy the whole state machine here, and then I can try things out. Let me see if I have the latest thingy. So let's see. Poof. Okay, so this is this sub-state machine that was created. So I get the first state. Yeah, the point is that it just like auto plays, because I have these services here, and these services are just called each time you enter a state. So you're in the state, poof, this service is triggered, and then it immediately resolves or rejects, and this automatically creates all the other steps, so you don't have to do anything, which is awesome in the code, but here it's kind of freaky because it just like plays the whole thing. So it's done. But yeah, I can see all the steps, and I see that it's auto triggering everything until the failed state, which is kind of cool. So you can see like how much control do you actually have and how much will be automatically executed if you keep it like that. So it's kind of fun. I continue tomorrow and hope to see you.